This is Small Rehab's Top 10 Best Microwaves of 2019. We know there are thousands of product choices out there. Where do you start? Which are the best? What fits your budget? That's where we come in. We've gone through them all to help you get the most value for your dollar. The best bang for your buck. Coming in at number 10, it's Panasonic's NNSN651B. At number 9, Homelab's Countertop Microwave Oven. At number 8, Daewoo's Retro Microwave Oven. At number 7, it's Comfy's Countertop Microwave Oven. At number 6, Toshiba's EM925A5A Microwave Oven. At number 5, it's Farberware's Classic Microwave Oven. At number 4, Amazon Basics 0.7 cubic feet microwave. At number 3, Nostalgia's Retro Microwave. At number 2, Panasonic's NNSN686S Microwave. And in at number 1, Toshiba's EM131A5C BS Microwave Oven with Smart Sensor. And that was Small Rehab's Top 10 Best Microwaves of 2019, sponsored by Alpine Hardware. The best bang for your buck, helping you get the most value for your money. If you want more information on any of these products in the show, click on the links below. Also, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on all our new episodes. And give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for show topics, leave a comment below or visit us at smallrehab.com. Thanks for watching.